Welcome back to Smart Ask. We have time for one more caller. Caller, are you there? You're on Smart Ask.
Hi, Torie. It's Joe from Cup of Joe's Coffee. I'm still trying to figure out all this social media stuff, all this online marketing. I tried to post to Facebook. I posted a forkload, but nothing happened. I can't keep up posting every single day. I feel like it's just a waste of time. I don't even know what to post about. Can you help me, Torie?
You're right, Joe. Just posting is just a waste of time. But social media is a great opportunity to get your business in front of more people than ever before for free. So I don't want you to pass it up. You just need to get smart. There are 3 things that you need to stop doing and you'll have much better results. First, stop posting random things. Second, stop wasting time thinking of what to post. And last, stop trying to post every day. Let's go over each of these and how to fix them. First, stop random posting. Instead, post with purpose using taps. When you post, think of what you want from each post, and that way you're not just posting and hoping that something is going to happen. That's why I created the TAPS method for posting, so you always have a reason, a purpose to post. Now, TAPS is an acronym, and it stands for T, top of mind. You want to post often enough that people do not forget who you are. And you want to post often enough that if someone is just checking you out online, sees that you are a real business and still open. When someone just finds you and is in research mode, they need to see you up to 10 times before they make a decision to buy. So you need to give them some opportunities to see you. If you only post once a week, that's not really offering them a lot of chance to see you. You also want to think of the people who are coming to your social media page for the very first time. If they see no content for the last month, especially if you did one of these like crazy buck wild posts and then you burn yourself out and don't post anymore, they may question if you're still open, if you're trustworthy, or if they should continue to even learn anything more about you. If they come to your page and they see a post a day, they can go back through your posts, learn about you, and know that you are legit. So post to stay top of mind. Then we come to A. A is to ask for engagement. Asking questions online is a great way to get engagement, which helps to build your community, get you great information about your audience, and it helps the algorithm push your content out even further. P is for photos. Posting photos is a great way to show that you're a real person. It showcases your services, your products, and your expertise, and it's one of the best ways to increase the know, like, and trust factor. People connect with people, and photos are an easy way to do this. Photos also have better reach than text-only posts, so be sure to include photos in your posting schedule. S. S is for sell, sign up, and serve. You need posts that sell, but you can't just say, buy my stuff every day, or it'll turn people off. So a good mix of selling, asking people to sign up for your email list, for your free info products and offers needs to happen as well. And to break up all of this salesy stuff, you must serve. One of the easiest ways to do this is to offer tips to your audience or answer FAQs. By doing this, you not only add value, but you show them that you know your stuff and you give them a little taste of what it's like to work with you. In the Smart Arsenal, I have full training on exactly how to do each of these things. Done for you templates, schedules, how often to post, and amazing examples of pages that do this perfectly, so you can see exactly what's working. Next, you need to stop spending time thinking of what to post. Now, instead, you can use a content calendar and done for you posts. One of the biggest wastes of time is actually thinking of what to post and how to make it effective. Remember, we are not posting and praying that it works. If you take the TAPS method that I talked about before, you could post something like this. Monday, post a T. top of mind post. Tuesday, A, ask a question. Wednesday, P, post a photo. Thursday, S, sell. Friday, another T, top of mind post. Saturday, A, ask another question. And then Sunday, P, post a new photo. And then the next week, you can change your sell to sign up. And then the next week, you could change that to serve and then repeat. This gives you a solid base of content that keeps you top of mind, showcases your business, your services, and your products, engages your audience, and gets them to buy and sign up. Plus, you are serving them by answering questions, giving tips, and providing value. Now, this can be just the basis of your entire social media content calendar. I have a monthly content calendar that comes out with TAPS content for every single day of the month. Now, this is awesome. It includes top of the mind graphics, engaging questions, and photos of exactly what to post. All done for you every single month, meaning you just post what's there, or you can just tweak it to your liking, no having to think about what to post. Now, you can post one a day, you can post two a day, you get to decide how much you want to post, but at least it gives you a base for that nice one a day with purpose. Now, last, you want to stop trying to post every single day. Instead, you plan and batch it. If you try to log in and post every single day and you still do your real work with your customers, you're gonna drive yourself mad. Instead, figure out what you want to post using your content calendar and then schedule it all out a week at a time. Or you can do it even a month at a time. And even better, have somebody else do it for you. Once the details are figured out, it doesn't have to be you that posts it. And your content calendar and TAPS is figuring it out for you. You can have someone in your office or a VA do it all for you. You can use Facebook Scheduler and not even have to use a third-party scheduler, and it just makes it even easier. Posting to social media does not have to be a waste of time. In fact, it can be quite effective doing some of the heavy lifting for you, staying top of mind, showcasing your authority, your expertise, getting customers to know, like, and trust you, and even getting people ready to sign up for your offers and buy from you. By stopping these time wasters, posting random things, wasting time thinking of what to post, trying to post every single day, you're going to find that posting to social media is smart for reaching your business goals faster. Social media is one of the best opportunities for small business these days to get in front of more people than you ever could before. And I would really hate for you to throw it away and think that it's a waste of time. By using smart strategies and done for you tools like the ones you can find in the Smart Arsenal, you will be amazed at how effective social media really can be for your business. And remember, you don't need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart. And I hope that answers your question, Joe. Have a digital marketing question for Smart Ask? Go to smartarsenal.com/Smart Ask and drop your question there. We'll see you on the next episode of Smart Ask. I'm Torie Mathis. You stay classy and smart, San Diego. Want to know the smart way to get people on your email list? Check out this video next on the best lead magnets to grow your list fast.